Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi guys, it's Sue from 1A Auto. Today we're working on this 2012 Chevy Equinox, where we have multiple listings for parts of this vehicle. Why don't you go to the webpage and check out what we have for your car at 1aauto.com. So we're going to start by opening the tailgate on the vehicle. You'll see you have two plastic caps covering the mounting bolts for this taillight assembly. I'm just going to pop them open with a flat edge screwdriver. Set them aside. These are a 10mm socket. Now we're going to grab it and give it a firm pull. So sometimes if it's stuck in there pretty good, you can get these trim tools. 1A Auto sells them online, and you're going to pop it out. Try not to scratch the vehicle. We're going to disconnect first the assembly, the harness. Pushing down on this tab and pulling. I'm going to change the tail light turn and stop signal bulb. You turn it counterclockwise, and you'll hear it release. Just pull it out slowly, and there's your bulb. Grab firmly, pull, twist back and forth, and you'll see the number right on the actual bulb. It's a 3157, and that is for the running tail light turn and stop signal. To assemble, you reassemble your new bulb, set it down into the slot, and turn clockwise. The backup light bulb is a 912, and the marker light is a 914. And these come out the same way. Counterclock, spin out, replace it clockwise. You have two tabs, line them up. Turn clockwise. To reassemble the tail light assembly, you take the plug from the car, match it up, and you'll hear a click. Line up the guide pins, top and bottom, and then firmly push. You're going to have to make sure it's lined up. You might even actually have to hold it down a little. Start it with your finger. I like to leave them a little loose till they're both bottomed out. Then I'll give it the final turn. Reassemble the covers. Put the tab in at 12 o'clock, push down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.